Okay! All right! Good morning! I said good morning! How you guys doing? Give yourself a massive round of juice, guys. So, for the guys that don't know me, my name is Chad Fortune. I'm 24 years old. I'm from an area. Yeah, guys. I am 24. So, I'm all the way from Cape Town, Bishop Lavis. For the guys that don't know Cape Town, it's not always the safest area. So, I grew up with my mom and my grandma. At the age of 1 year old, my dad left me when I was a child. Yeah. I was forced to take things into my own hands. I had to take care of my mom. She was earning 3,000 Rand a month. I had to take care of my grandma. I was 10 years old and I became the man of the house at the age of 10. There was no role model for me in my life, so I had to step up because somebody had to. So, guys, for me, the changing point in my life was when I saw my mom every single morning. She had to wake up, take a taxi, and work all the way in Durbanville, earning 3,000 Rand a month. That was unacceptable for me. In the area, Bishop Lavis, it's not always the safest area, guys. Can you imagine waking up before you leave to school? There's a dead body waking up. You wake up and a dead body is in the road. Can you guys imagine how many people wanted to recruit me to gangsterism? Can you imagine every single day of my life, I had to be that guy in my area that got threatened for, you didn't want to join a gang and you got threatened. That was my life, guys. But one thing I can tell you guys, I wasn't weak. I knew that I had a dream for myself. I had this voice inside of me that told me, there is more for you, young man. Do not quit. And just keep believing in yourself. I matriculated in 2019 at Goodwood College. I went to further my studies at the College of Cape Town in Crawford. I got a call from Chamonix, the recruiter of the Cape Town location. And that is where I got introduced to the world's greatest opportunity. I remember I was in Bergerfree, and I just got a call from Chamonix. Hi, this is Chamonix from Capital Growth, etc., etc. And that was the changing point in my life, guys, because where I come from, it's gangsterism, family, wasn't that well off, but I had somebody had to step up and make the tough decision and step forward. So, guys, I am a bit nervous. So, when I joined the business, I was so selfish and I just focused on my own pockets. I didn't care about anybody in my team. I didn't genuinely care about building relationships because in my area, most people just look out for themselves. And in our business, it's based on win-win. In order for you to be successful, you have to help the next person be successful first. And when I understood that principle, I became an owner. I promoted myself to owner in the year 2025 in April. After ownership, I bought myself a Polo GTI. I, I also qualified to go to the 10-10 program in Durban. After qualifying for the 10-10 program, I got clear on my dream. I needed to move out of Bishop Lavis. That it was unacceptable for me living in that area and my life was in danger every single day. I made a choice this year in August, I'm going to move into my own apartment. And I'm living comfortably. I'm happy. I'm grateful for the world's greatest opportunity. And I don't know where I would have been today if it wasn't for this business. So, guys, we have a proven system. All I can guarantee is if you read your manuals, your trainer's manual, your sales manual, every single day, and you plug into the leaders like your uplines, you will be successful. If a guy from Ghetto in Bishop Lavis can do it, guys, so can you.